Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this rope fishtail braid half-up. This hairstyle requires only 2 strand braids, so it's great for beginners. I also create this hairstyle to my sister's long hair. Beginning from taking some hair on the side, split the strand you took in 2 pieces. Then start to twist the strand above downwards, spin the strands around each other to upwards. Add hair above to the strand that is closer on that side. Again, twist downwards and spin the strand around each other to upwards. Add new hair. Twist the strand above to downwards and spin the strands around each other to upwards. Take new hair, twist downwards, spin upwards. Add new hair, twist downwards, spin upwards. Add new hair, twist downwards, spin upwards. Keep on repeating this pattern until the braid reaches to the back. I will tie the braid together on back, so that's why it's important. Also, if you would like to get some volume for the braids, you can pancake the edge of the braid like I'm doing in here. But if you want to skip this step, it's totally okay. Next, I will repeat the same process to the other side. Take some hair from the front, share the piece in 2 and start the braid. Twist downwards, spin upwards. Add hair to the strand above. Twist downwards and spin upwards. Add hair, twist downwards, spin upwards. It's important that you twist to the opposite direction than you spin, because if you do that on the same side, the braid will undo easily after you release the ends of the hair. Once your both braids are ready, I'll release the elastics from the ends of the braids. Then I mix the strands together, so I have one strand from each side. And then I start to take small pieces from side, bringing them over to the other side, and this way I can make the fishtail braid without doing special tied systems in here, so braids is nicely merged to each others. If you pancake it the braids before, I suggest you to make the same with the Fishtail braid, so all the braids get this similar, little bit messy, volume look. Continue the braid until the end of the hair or as long as you reach the desired length. Last but not least, I create accent braids on both sides of the Fishtail braid. For that, I use the twist braids. Same I did before, but this time you don't need to add any hair to the braid. Just take 2 strands, twist to the another side and spin to the another side. And remember to do that on both sides. Twist, spin, twist, spin, twist, spin, and add the elastic until the end of the braid. Here you can see the final result of this easy half-up hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And if you would like to see more hairstyles, you need to watch out my Instagram account where I post daily. Have a great day.